Thank you, Alyssa, for going over the criteria when representing integers. By knowing the criteria when it comes to representing integers, the problems become a little bit easier. At least I think so, due to being a visual learner. Hi, my name is Heather, and today I want to go over representing integers, the addition by zero property, and taking opposites, all while using colored counters. First, when representing integers using colored counters, you need to know what the colored counters actually represent. In my examples, the yellow counters are going to be positive integers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the red counters are negative integers, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Once you know this information, knowing what the counters actually stand for becomes easier in the problems. Looking at the addition by zero property, it's just one of the ways you can use colored counters. First, you need to know that any number plus zero will always be that number. So if you have 3 red counters, which remember the red are negative, and you add 0 counters to the equation, you're going to still have 3 red counters, which will be -3. So -3 plus 0 is always going to equal -3. Now, when it comes to taking opposites with colored counters, you have to know, in this example, you have 5 counters that are negative, they're red. You have 8 yellow counters, which are positive. So the equation would look like -5 plus 8 would equal what? Now, when it says taking opposites, know that a negative number, like -5, plus its opposite, which would be +5, is always going to equal 0. So, in this example, if you take 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these yellow counters, which are your positives, and you're going to take those over here to the red. -5 plus +5 equals 0. You're left with 3 yellow counters, which would mean your answer to the equation is going to be a +3, because your yellow still represents positive, and that's all that's left in the equation. Now, I just want to say thank you, and I hope that you feel a little bit more comfortable in knowing how to represent integers using colored counters. And I'm going to go ahead and pass it on to Chelsea to go over mail time representations of integers with you. Have fun.